Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtweeter.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which of the following statement about using a POV on official travel is true? Option A, if the AO directs why you to fly commercial air, the AO cannot authorize you to receive reimbursement for any POV expenses. Option B, if driving is cheaper than the directed transportations mode, the AO will limit your reimbursement to the cost of the directed mode. Option C, if officials travels ride together, so only the travel plans the bicycle's operating expenses can claim a mileage allowance. Do you not need to complete a constructed travel worksheet for a new POV cars or motorcycles trips that exceeds 400 miles? The correct answer of the question is option C. If official travels ride together, only the travel plans the bicycle's operating expenses can claim mileage allowance. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.